Nnamdi Kanu, do you believe he's a terrorist?
No, sir. The answer is no, sir. No, sir. I don't think so. I don't think so. So what about you? What about you? What do you think? How do you answer this question? You that is watching this video, how do you answer this question? Every Igbo man is supposed to have, you must have social media account. It is a must. It is a must, bro. This is the time for it. It's no longer time to sleep. The enemy is trying so hard. They are recruiting so massively. They are pumping so much money to make sure that the image of the Igbo is being tarnished. But what do I have to do? We have to say no to that. We have to resist it. It's not by gun, it's not by bullets. It is time for you to do something, bro. It is time for you to do something. Reject this question. The answer is no, sir. No, sir. I said no, sir. I don't think so, sir. If you think so, I don't think so. If any of you think so, me, I don't think so. I and my family never think so. My people never think so. So whatever you want to say, whatever you want to think, it is on your personal opinion, and they are not speaking for all of us. Speaking for yourself.